Alright, one more time. Okay, I took a quarter to half a thou off of this inner one here on the outer to even it up. It had a little bit of taper to it, so I smoothed it out a little bit closer. I think we had clearance, but that just should give me the high spot. If there was a high spot, should have took it off. Okay, that's that one. And the other two, I took a thou off of each one. That's the inner one. Oh, those are the pressure gears there. This one I never did cut before, so it's the first time I had to cut it. That was this inner gasket, it was 5 thou. Tightening up the gasket, gave me all the clearance. Took up the clearance we need to take up. Looks like I had to gain back 1 thou. It's fighting me every time I go back in here too. Come on, piece of crap. This one used to go in easy, but last couple of times it's not going easy. You have to give a little bit of the angle of the key, get the thing to go in. Move the gear back and forth to get it going to key, and then you hold the back side where it's wedged up, and then slide it in, but it doesn't want to go in this time. There it goes. Definitely not happy. Not a happy camper. One plus is rotating better. Getting all the high spots worn in. Okay, I went ahead and soaked the gasket one more time because it was getting a little snug. Still haven't torn it yet. It's a miracle. Usually I tear them by now. Started. So it should just slide right in. Quite the speed I wanted to put it in there, but we'll see it worked. Put it out of the way. Let's see, need those pliers. Where's our key at? It's down in there, the abyss down there somewhere. Looking in a dark hole down there. There where I can't get to it. There it is. You hold it like that. Hold the shaft, make sure you don't push it out. Come on. There it goes. You gotta hold the front of the key down just like the other one. I get down, I actually mark the gear which way I put it in, but I haven't done that yet. I haven't got that much detail going on this job. I have done that before. Up. What did I forget? Come on, quick. What did I forget? I forgot that I was a dumbass. That's what I forgot. Who caught that? Come on, be honest. How many of you caught it? Leave a comment. Who caught it? Try full torque. That's all we're going to get without an impact. These gaskets get nice and form fitted. Just the inner one, that oil pump gasket, is the one that's being a pain. Keep shrinking. Alright, shrink it right back up by rehydrating it. All these studs are getting more friendly with each other now than what they were before. Pull everybody down a little bit. Next pattern torque. Come back and do a final. Rotate. Not totally free, but it's close. Square it in a little bit. Put a couple miles on it. High speed miles. See how much low drag it is. The weight of the flywheel brings it around. Very low drag. See? Don't even feel it now. And we know we're close because we only took off half a thou to 1 thou with those gears from last time. Okay, so now pull that up. See how nice that came out of there? A little bit of drag on there still. Oop, losing the key there almost. So you can see it's got a couple high spots, but basically it's pretty free, see? Those will wear in. Those are little titties on top of the gear teeth, and probably the gear mesh itself is a little bit of a tight spot also, so pretty good. Alright, I think that'll work. Time to take it apart, snell it up for real, and put it together for good. So we can do that. Alright, take that back off, we'll be right back.